Hello world, this is Darin Martineau from Team Freedom, and in this video I'm going to do an in-depth review on Lead Sleep. Lead Sleep is one of my favorite tools. What is Lead Sleep? Lead Sleep is like a Swiss Army knife marketing tool. It's also a traffic exchange. Now you can join for free. I'm going to go over what you get right now. So I'm going to show you what it is. Basically, it's a traffic exchange, and as a free member, you can get the ability to run some ads. You can run like 3 ads within the Lead Sleep Traffic Exchange network. So as a free member, you're going to get 25% recurring commissions, okay? Versus the pro member, you're going to get 50% recurring commissions. So the pro member is much better. I'm going to show you why. Okay, so as a free member, free members get the traffic exchange. They can earn advertising credits by surfing ads, which means they can click for credits, which they can use to display those in their own ads. So they can click for credits. So it's a traffic exchange, right? Within the Lead Sleep network. This allows free users to promote their products or services without spending any money. So that's one of the benefits as a free member. Okay, you can also click for credits as a pro member, but I'm going to show you the difference. You're going to get access to SendSteed, which is the basic email list management system. The free membership includes access to this basic email list building tool, which is suitable for small-scale email marketing. The free members can create simple email opt-in forms and manage subscriber lists, although those are limited, right? The free traffic from the network, they have the ability to submit 3 ads, like we said, and they can also click for credits. So it's a traffic exchange. Now, versus the pro member. So the pro member gets the higher affiliate commissions. Pro members earn 50% affiliate commissions, doubling their earning potential as compared to free members. But these are lifetime recurring. So if someone joins under you, you're going to get 50% lifetime recurring commission. Now we'll go over the costs, okay? So this costs, it gives you an opportunity when you join to join for like $19.99 or $20 or $23 if you join within a 24-hour window. If you don't, then it's for the pro member is $27 a month, okay? So what the pro members get with their benefits, they get the unlimited email list management of the SendSteed. They get the 50% affiliate commissions. They get to earn override credits up to 10 levels deep. So they build 10 levels of followers on autopilot. They get increased revenue streams. So they earn credits from their referrals, advertising activities. They get higher rewards. They receive more points and bonuses. They also get the SendSteed, but they get unlimited abilities with that. They also get the pro membership, also gets the email list building tools with no limitations of the number of subscribers or campaigns. Pro members get access to the email automation features, enabling them to create drip email campaigns and send scheduled emails. Also, the email broadcast sender. They also get the pro members the pro ads and automatic ad display. They get a higher priority placement. Unlike free members, the pro members ads are displayed automatically within the network without the need to earn those surfing for credits. This enables continuous ad exposure and maximize traffic. The pro members benefits, they also get incredible tools such as the pop-up creator. This is a page exit, squeeze page exit pop-up. This can build the customized pop-ups to capture leads and boost engagement. They get social review syndication from YouTube and blog. They get RSS feed. This is very powerful. They get the advanced tracking tool, enhanced tracking capabilities. including geo-tracking and device-based analytics. They get increased revenue streams. The Pro members earn additional income through the credit overrides. They also get access to the Insider Advertiser Report. The Insider Advertiser Report is an ebook that you can give out, and that can help to promote and market your lead sleep business. Now I'm going to go over my big bonus traffic package. Okay, but first we're going to look inside of lead sleep. So this is the inside dashboard of my lead sleep account. Okay, these are what the ads look like here for the traffic exchange. Okay, so these are ads that you're going to be running. Okay, now for the free ads, that's if you click for credits, and then you have the pro ads. Okay, now you can also write reviews in here, and people can read your reviews and your top recommendations. And so this has got a lot of things. Here's your link tracker. Okay, and then it's got rotators, and then here's your email marketing, which is called SendSeed. So this is one of the bonuses that I'm going to give you. Okay, which is going to be I'm going to give you access to 328 of my emails. See all these emails, and it just loops. See, it goes up to 328, and on day 329, it loops back to day 1. So I'm going to give you the share code, the Lead Sleep share code. When you join Lead Sleep underneath me, I'm going to show you my package, which is valued at over $500. So we're going to go over that in just a minute here. Now we have the page builders, okay? So you can also build your squeeze page. Here's one of my squeeze pages. I'm going to give you access to all of my squeeze pages. I'm going to give you the share code. This is part of my bonuses, okay? Then you have Funnel Manager, the pop-ups, the rebrander. You can host your PDFs in here, and on and on and on. Now let's go over my bonus package. When you join underneath me into Team Freedom, okay? So what happens is I want you to put in your name and email and join Team Freedom, and I'm going to show you exactly how all this fits together beautifully. So here's my Team Freedom exclusive bonus package worth over $505, okay? So we're going to go over it. Now you're going to get access to my Team Freedom funnel. I'm going to give you all the share codes that are in Lead Sleep for your squeeze pages and to build the funnel. You're going to be able to duplicate the Team Freedom funnel. I'm also going to give you all of my secret traffic Rolodexes. Secret traffic Rolodex number 1 here. It's going to cover, these are going to cover both all my best free and paid traffic sources so that you can scale your business. Next, I'm going to give you access to my ebook, Best Recurring Affiliate Programs ebook. I'm going to give you access to the Team Freedom exclusive marketing video training, okay? Like I said, you're going to get access to 328 of your email marketing follow-up messages. I'm going to give you the Lead Sleep share code, okay? Next, you're going to get access to all of my special ChatGPT super email prompts and all of my ChatGPT prompts guides. This is so you can build your own emails in any niche. So you can build these pages for any niche so you can really explode your business to multiple streams of income fast. Especially with the share codes it's already built for you. This is a no-brainer. Next, you're going to get my affiliate marketing Team Freedom quick start guide. Okay? You also get more exclusive marketing video training. I'm constantly putting training in here every day. You're also going to get a bonus of the 50 viral videos pack. I'm going to show you how to start creating viral videos fast, and my unlimited free traffic guides. There's multiple streams of traffic in here. Okay. Um, I wrote a book called Mastering YouTube Marketing from Zero to Viral Growth. You're going to get this. It has 16 chapters. So if you've never done YouTube marketing, I'm going to show you how to build this up. So the total of all this bonus package is over $505. So what I'd like you to do is go to this page. You'll click on the link in the description. You're going to see this page right here. Okay? You're going to put in your email, and then once you do that, you're going to be taken to the Team Freedom page where I'm going to give you access to free training. And then if you join Lead Sleep, what's going to happen is you can join for free. And as a free member, you're going to get all this right here. Okay. Everything we just talked about. As a pro member is much better because you're going to get the 50% uh, commissions like we showed. And you're going to get all of these premium benefits and tools that we just went over. So join now and we'll see you on the inside. Thank you very much.